In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a curved arrow in Figma. We'll take a simple shape and turn it into a clean, curved arrow you can use in diagrams, callouts, and UI mockups. Open Figma and head into the file where you want the arrow. Any canvas or frame will work. Just make sure you're in a spot with enough room to draw and edit comfortably. Start by adding an ellipse. Select the ellipse tool or press O, then click and drag on the canvas. If you want a perfect circle, hold Shift as you drag. If you want a taller or wider curve, draw an oval. Size doesn't need to be exact right now. You can always scale the curve later. Now edit the ellipse so it becomes a curved segment. Select the shape and enter Vector Edit mode. You'll see nodes around the ellipse. Delete the parts you don't need so you're left with the arc that matches the direction you want the arrow to bend. If you need to fine-tune the curvature, adjust the handles on the remaining nodes until the arc looks smooth and natural. The goal is to end up with an open curve, not a closed shape. With the arc selected, add a stroke. In the right sidebar, turn on Stroke, and, if necessary, turn off Fill, so you're focusing on the outline. Pick a color that contrasts with your background. Consider setting the stroke cap to round for a softer look and a more polished end to the arc. Increase the stroke weight so the arrow stands out at the size it will be used. Try a few values and zoom out to see how it reads at a glance. Thicker strokes feel bolder and more graphic. Thinner strokes are more subtle. Round joins can also help keep the curve looking smooth. Finally, add the arrowheads. In the stroke options, locate the start and end arrow settings and set them to line arrow. This places arrow tips on the ends of your curved path. If you want a one-direction arrow, apply the arrowhead only to the end and leave the start as none. The arrowheads scale with stroke weight, so if they feel too small or large, tweak the weight or adjust the arc's overall size. You can rotate, flip, or reposition the curve by dragging the endpoints so the arrow points exactly where you need. That's it. You've created a curved arrow in Figma by drawing an ellipse, trimming it into an arc, styling the stroke, and adding arrowheads. Save it as a component if you'll reuse it and duplicate it to keep your designs consistent.